Give me the seed now! It's an ambush! Run! Help!
The video you just saw was created with AI in under 5 minutes, completely for free. These ant civilization videos are going viral on YouTube right now, and creators are earning thousands of dollars every month just by posting them. And the crazy part? Many of these channels are pulling over 1 to 10 million views on simple AI-generated content without ever showing their face. So, what's going on here, and why isn't everyone doing this? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact step-by-step method to create these videos yourself. No experience needed. Completely free tools. Don't skip, because this might be the easiest way to start a faceless content channel right now. First, open Google AI Studio and paste the Ant Civilization video reference link along with this prompt. You'll find everything in the description below. You'll see that AI Studio analyzes and breaks down the full video structure for you instantly. Now write the second prompt, telling it to create an exact copy of this video, but with a completely different storyline. Make sure to choose the timing of your video according to yourself. I'm going with 1 minute. Hit the run button and AI Studio will generate a brand new, different storyline for your video. Now paste the third prompt from the description and it will generate your first image prompt. Everything is structured and ready to use. Copy the first image prompt and head over to Google Flow. Choose the image option, select your desired settings, and paste the prompt in. In seconds, Google Flow will create a perfectly structured image for your first scene. Now copy that image and paste it back into Google AI Studio and write this line. You'll find it in the description. AI Studio will now generate the second image prompt using the exact same graphics, objects, and visual style from the first image. This is what keeps your video visually consistent throughout every scene. Copy that prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and your second image is ready in seconds. Repeat the exact same process until all your images are done. Now let's bring every scene to life. Paste this prompt into Google AI Studio and hit run. Now upload your first image and AI Studio will generate the video prompt for that specific scene. Copy the video prompt, go back to Google Flow, click on the first image, click the 3 dots, choose animate, select your desired video settings, paste the video prompt in and hit generate. Google Flow will create a perfectly structured cinematic video for your first scene. Now go back to AI Studio, upload the second image, and it will generate the video prompt for that scene. Repeat the exact same process for every remaining scene until all your images are brought to life. When all your scenes are ready, open any video editor you like and combine all the clips in sequence. Remove any part that feels unnecessary. Add smooth transitions between scenes to make the video flow naturally. Select all clips and scale up slightly to hide the video watermark. Hit export and your viral Ant Civilization video is completely ready to post. Thousands of dollars a month from AI-generated ant videos. The tools are free. The prompts are all in the description. The only thing left is you actually starting. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.